It's a 55 Packard Patrician.
With a Packard motor.
Packard V8.
Packard V8. With auto level.
With something.
So it had something to do with your clothes in the trunk. The front's coming up. See the front coming up?
Yeah.
Maybe it's mechanical. Maybe there's some gear drive someplace.
What are the chances of that working? When I park it up top?
Yeah.
I should be able to put it in park.
Oh, that's true. Side. Okay. Get it? Don't need the blocks. (1955) Packard, about to get a new exhaust system. Old exhaust system's out. Old exhaust system going to be replicated as much as possible to look like original. Documenting and labeling. We did have one casualty when the old exhaust system came out, and that is one of the bolts broke. And although it's accessible, it's not completely accessible. So it's right there, up in that exhaust manifold. So we're going to take this down, we're going to fix all the leaks, drill and tap that, and it'll be like new. The exhaust that we talked about earlier, that was going to be replaced. This is the original pipe from here to here. From there on back is all stainless steel, all fitted into place. Back to the exhaust, both on the driver's side and the passenger side. And the bolt that was broke off, there it is. The hole's been tapped and the bolt is threads in there very nice. Okay, that's it for this update.